Time is 5:19. Welcome back to KHOU 11 Morning News. You are taking a live look over the Houston area after we saw some strong storms overnight.
We are coming up on 521 and it's time for weather and traffic on the ones.
Yeah, Kim Castro, the question is, when will this rain clear out?
Very shortly, this main band is really making its last run. We do have a chance for a little spin-up activity later on today, so some spotty isolated shower chances, but the widespread wet weather is coming to an end shortly. In fact, we're seeing now the green and the hues of yellow there on radar. This indicates light to moderate rain. In fact, that rainfall rate at about a quarter to half an inch area wide. This is if this cell were to stay parked over the hour, which we know it's not. It's moving northeast at 20 miles an hour, and you can see those deeper pockets of red that we see there. The rainfall rates there 2 inches per hour. So definitely the big energy, the big wet weather producer out of the area now, but it certainly brought us beneficial rain. It also brought us some gusty wind as it passed through pretty much area wide. Here's some of the stronger wind gusts that were recorded as that main front passed through. 41 miles an hour picked up there in Conroe, 38 for Columbus, 10 miles an hour stronger than that in Sugar Land. Palacios, 55 miles an hour for you, and an impressive 64 in Galveston. What do wind speeds look like for us now? Well, they've certainly started to taper. A bit breezy there for Sugar Land, but everywhere else, 5 to 10 miles an hour pretty much sustained. Columbus there at 14 miles an hour, and you could see the last of that widespread wind tailing behind that front that's now exiting offshore. Now, as we push throughout the day, we can expect a nice benefit of that front, which is going to be cooling conditions and a nice drier breeze out of the north. Pat's tracking conditions as we push through the rest of the day and into this coming weekend. Pat?
Yeah, still a few showers out there, but as you mentioned, things are starting to improve rapidly. We're definitely not seeing the big winds out there, but still some rain falling. This is from Mustang Tower, our transmitter down in Missouri City. You can see pretty good visibility up to 10 miles, but look at the temperature, 64 degrees. Feels great outside right now. Dew points in the low 60s as well, indicating lower humidity. We're about 7 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. We gradually dry out as we go through the morning hours. I think by sunrise, a lot of us are mainly dry. We do see another chance, though, for a pop-up shower or storm, as Kim mentioned, by the afternoon and by the evening. We'll show you that in future track in just a second. Good news, though, we clear things out for the overnight. Temperatures drop again into the low 60s, and we're off to the races with a beautiful holiday weekend. There's the big line of storms now approaching the Louisiana border. More activity, though, down through South Texas, even a severe thunderstorm warning here to the south of Corpus Christi. That activity is going to try to lift north again as we get into the evening. So the main line's out of here. A few showers left behind for sunrise. Midday we're dry, and then here come those other spotty downpours, maybe a rumble or two of thunder through the area. We're not expecting anything severe, but this is the main front actually pushing through. So this is going to be the last hurrah around sunset, and then again we dry things out as we head into the overnight hours with much cooler temperatures. Today we'll struggle to make it out of the 70s. A lot of cloud coverage will kind of put a lid on things. Winds will be out of the northeast as well, so a different air mass trying to filter in. And again, we can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm as we get into the evening hours. Saturday looks beautiful as we get into the start of the 3-day weekend. Sunshine, hot though, temperatures in the low 90s. Sunday will also look for those hot conditions, low 90s, and then Memorial Day, more of the same, few clouds in there, and a little more humidity starts to work in as well. So just a chance for an afternoon shower or thunderstorm as we go through the rest of today. Temperatures, again, struggle to make it to 80 degrees, mid 80s, and after a cool start in the mid 60s for your Thursday with lots of sunshine, upper 80s then by Friday, and then into the 90s as we get into the holiday weekend. All right, Jay Ray, we know the story. Damage is done with the rain. How are the roads doing this morning?
Yeah,